Ayun. Suki.
Kuya, are you all set po dyan? Okay po.
Okay na siya dito. So, ikaw ba?
Hindi ako.
Try mo lang. Curious question yan.
Una na.
Sige.
Oh.
Oh.
Hindi, ang dami kong ginagawa.
Yan. Sige, kuha ka isa.
Random.
Random. Yan. Then basahin mo sa harap ng...
Okay, dapat bang sumama manood ng Tagalog movies si Maki kapag niyaya siya ni Nika? Paki-explain po ang sagot. Siyempre, dapat siya sumama. Para pag siya naman ang gustong manood ng movie, kasamahan din siya ni Nika.
Right. Isa pa?
Okay na yun.
Sige.
Tatanggalin yung babalik.
Ay, hindi. Babalik na lang. Okay. Thank you. Yung mga kinaano na yung mga sagot dito, kaya papanoorin nilang dalawa sa honeymoon nila. Okay. Kaya pag kukuha niya kagad yung USB para kung saan sila pupunta. Ayan, sino pa kaya pwede? Don! Ayun. What is this? Curious question ni Maki and Nika. Kailangan mo na sagutin.
Ano? Question?
Oh.
Pick one question. Read it out loud. And then answer. Kahit ano. Random.
Random.
Okay. I'm holding the question. Dapat bang sumama manood ng Tagalog movie si Maki? Kapag niyaya siya ni Nika? Ulitin, I'm gonna repeat the question. Dapat bang sumama manood ng Tagalog movie si Maki kapag niyaya niya si Nika? Paki-explain po ang sagot niyo.
Okay, go.
Okay. I think in order for a relationship to work, one must abide to every likes and dislikes of each partner. And based on my experience, I guess for the good of the latter events, probably the night, I think you should watch with her Tagalog movies, though it's very corny and cheesy. Kasi afterwards, you probably enjoy it as well, but most likely Nika will enjoy it more because of you accompanying her. So that's it. I'm proud of the both of you. Congratulations, and we, the younger men, are looking up to you, Kuya Maki. So you can do it. And I'm happy for you too, Ate Nika. Congratulations, you found a sturdy and persistent, consistent man.
Alright.
It's JC. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Come on, you say hi. Okay, no more. Jump. Time to jump.
Ano ko muna itong Ito yung madalas. Ay, hindi na.
Go. No,
Yes.
you have to. Come on. Kan, go na. Upo ka doon.
Ano yun?
Curious question ni Maki and Nika.
Random lang.
Oh, sasagutin mo lang yung curious question nila.
Pick one. Read it out loud and then answer.
Yan, thank you.
Dapat bang sumama manood ng Tagalog movie si Maki kapag niyaya siya ni Nika? Paki-explain po ang sagot niyo. Oh, syempre.
Explain.
Asawa sila eh. Kasi karamihan ng Tagalog movies. Puro love story, di ba? Syempre, sama silang dalawa para magkakapagod ka sa... Oo ba yun? Tapos, yun nga. Parang, lalo silang magkalapit, di ba? Paano?
Okay, thank you.
Si Ana.
Ano muna natin? It's your turn.
Oh, namimili din.
You can choose.
Pwede yun, ang daya naman.
You have to check. Try.
Samahan kita.
Yes, Isabel.
Para maraming
Maraming options sila. Papanoorin kasi nila sa honeymoon to eh.
Go read.
Seryoso ba sila?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, kaya ang magkaroon ng pet, anong klaseng pet ito if ever? Bakit niyo nasuggest ang pet na yon? Dog! Because dog is man's best friend, you know, and we have pets at home and they're all dogs. They're so friendly. But if they don't like you, they will like bite you. And dogs are very protective of their masters. So, not our dogs. Our dogs just like barking at other people. Or maybe you could buy a bird as well. Is there calmer? Kuya, dyan bumalik ka dito!
Go. It's okay.
Or you could buy a bird as well because they're, you know, calm or whatever. There's some couples really like having lovebirds at home. I don't know why, and I will never get one. But most likely buy a dog. And a male one. Because male dogs are awesomer than girl dogs. Yeah.
Thank you. Question, dito na sa loob para mas maganda yung effect. Yan.
Question?
Kuhan.
Read it out loud, then answer. Huwag ka mamili. Random.
Wala ka na, random. Alright, the question is, ano ang secret sa isang matatag na marriage?
Very appropriate.
Yes. Very appropriate. Very good. So, ang masasabi ko dyan, Kuya Mac and Ate Nita, ang sekreto talaga ng isang matatag na marriage is dapat laging tama is si babae. Kasi bias ako yan. Happy wife is a happy life. Congratulations sa inyo.
Okay.
Babalik ba ito, Kuya?
Babalik.
Para sila naman yung mahirapan dun sa
Ikot natin. Makikita eh.
Lahat pala nakataob.
Dapat nakatalikod. Talikod ko ah.
Yan.
Or pwede sila
Hanapan kita ng box na.
Oo, sige.